Today I'm way off the beaten path in the middle of a swamp in the middle of Central Florida. I'm out here to check out this very quirky and odd place called Solomon's Castle. Now, back in 1972, artist Howard Solomon purchased about 80 acres of swampland. He makes all of his artwork out of reclaimed debris, and his masterpiece is Solomon's Castle. And the exterior is all made from aluminum printing plates from a local newspaper. And he is known as the Da Vinci of debris. He has over 1,000 pieces, and each one comes with a joke or a pun. And believe it or not, there is a moat and there is a boat in the moat. It is a 16th century Spanish galleon replica that Howard himself built. It'd be an understatement to say that Howard Solomon had a sense of humor. In fact, I think he's more like a mushroom. He's a fun guy.